Hey everyone, welcome back. We know everyone is super excited to ring in the new year, but we're going to start by taking a look back at 2023. Step Up Vinyl, we've grown so much in this past year, starting with our vinyl stair nosings in all sorts of different shapes and sizes. So many happy customers. We sell lots of them to individuals who install them in their homes, so we don't always get to show you all of the projects that we are a part of, but we do get to share with you on our channel so many wonderful installations that we've gotten to do for customers who have trusted us in their home. So to finish out the year strong, we are going to look back at our 3 favorite installations and transformations. Of course, any transformation that uses our stair nosings are incredible, but these are our personal favorites that we got to install to make these customers so extraordinarily happy. So check them out.
First up here is our honorable mentions. We would have this at the top of the list, but we did not actually do this installation. A customer sent this to us. We are absolutely so impressed with this installation. As you can see, they had open stairs originally before, and they used our closed stair vinyl nosings to create this beautiful, much more modern version of their stairs there. And we want to just throw this one in here to remind you that even though we do offer nosings for the open stairs, it may not be the best option for the look that you are going for. So thank you so much to our customer who sent this one in. And on to our number 3. This installation was really special for us for a few different reasons. The first would be the actual vinyl that we're using. So the customer had installed a laminate flooring, was installing a laminate flooring above the stairs as they were getting ready to sell the property, and had reached out to us looking to have us make it out of the laminate, which we don't do, but we were able to source them a vinyl that was pretty much the exact same color and texture, which is quite rare and was a really exciting find for us. The next reason was just, visually the transformation here. Obviously, vinyl on the stairs looks so much better than a rough wood underneath, but oftentimes when the colors are really similar, you don't see it quite as much, especially in the videos. But this one was just so incredibly dramatic, that transformation that was there. So we absolutely loved it, and that's why it's landed in our number 3 spot here. So you can see it was a split level stairs with a little landing in between, which they left as the tile as we just finish it up there. And you see that overall change in transformation that was there, which as I mentioned is so incredibly dramatic. There's the bottom one there and the top one. And in our number 2 spot, we have this staircase here. This was an absolutely massive job in a new construction home. So you can see all of these stairs, these pie and triangle shaped there. And then there's a duplicate set down in the basement as well. The customers had chosen this really dark vinyl that they then matched with the stain on the side of the stringers. So a little bit different than we often see with the white stringers, but it really, when it's all done here, you're going to see it really is an absolutely beautiful finish. Like I said, it was a huge job for us. It was done for customers that we actually knew, and so we've kept in touch with, and we know that they still love the finish now that they've moved into their new home. And so you can see the transformation there, and that's what those happy customers just make it so extra special for us on these transformations. So you can see here the before and after. Oh, beautiful. And finally, number 1. This job, as you can see, is having weight risers with a gray vinyl installation going on here. This is a really popular trend at the moment, and we know that it got a lot of love from you guys, and so of course it had to end up here. But the main reason it's in this number 1 spot is this beauty right here. Our Mr. Cat Inspector that was always around making sure that the work was being done to the customer's expectations. There he goes there. And we absolutely fell in love with him. This is actually quite a big job also. Just given the scope, this little staircase looks kind of small, but again, it's a split level house. So there was actually 5 of these sets of stairs that we were completing. as well as a few of these landings and transitions. And then the customers continued the vinyl onto the main living area as well. So it was a big job. Also, we know that you all love the look of the white risers, but it's actually a bit of a pain in the butt to work with a wood riser. It's not as flexible as a vinyl. And so you can see here, there's a little bit more to making sure that it's all flush and beautiful there. But whatever makes the customers happy, the customers are king. And we were just so happy with how thrilled they were with the result. The interesting thing about this property, we learned that the customers, this young couple had just bought the property, and when they were looking at it and viewing it, it had like a brown taupe carpet throughout the property. And when they moved in, they had it steam clean, and it ended up being green, which means that that brown was all dirt. Look, so they ripped it out, and we were able to come in and absolutely transform it for them. And they were just so thrilled, and we were so happy to do it. So you can see here this bottom part that we showed the install on. The tile is their front entryway, and then these are the stairs up to their main living area and kitchen. And you can see they continued the vinyl all throughout that area there. Beautiful color that they've chosen, and then all the way up to the top there, and you can see the whole thing.
And those are the top 3. Thank you so much for those of you who have subscribed already. If you haven't, please consider becoming part of our community. We share lots of tips and tricks on all sorts of things, and we have such an exciting 2024 coming with tons of stair nosing, stairs, as well as full home renovations that we've been able to capture and record that are ready on the books for January, February, and for the year to come. We from Step Up Vinyl want to say thank you to all of you and hope that you have a wonderful new year that's full of happiness and health. Happy New Year!